It's interesting. We have a lot of people that have kids. We have a lot of people that have families. I find that if I had a team that was all based here in the same office with me, I don't think I could coach my kids' basketball teams or soccer teams or whatever. It would just because like you need to be in the office, you need to have a physical presence. But, for me, again, like putting the big balls in first, I think we're able to help people like, look, if you need to go do, volunteer at your kid's school, or, hey, if you need to go do something, if like you can go do that in the middle of the day and then just make the work up later. And nobody's, we just trust that you're going to do your job. And you can't, if you're driving to an office, you can't just like leave at 3:00 2 times a week. Like, but if you're at home and you're driving down the street, yeah, you can do that. And you can come back and finish your work.